हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम एक 10th क्लास का वी विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द फिजिक्स चैप्टर ऑफ द लाइट। ओके, सो many students get some trouble to solve this type of the questions of the lenses questions and the mirror questions. Okay, so basically we have two formulas in the light chapter. Okay, so first one is the mirrors formula and second is the lens formula. So there is a small difference between the lens formula and the mirror formula. Okay, so this question is belongs to the based on the lens formula. Okay, so first we read the whole questions. So question is that a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. Okay, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Okay, also find the magnification produced by the lens. Okay, let's start the solutions of this question. Okay, now as we know, the concave lens always produce the virtual and erect images. Okay, so concave lens always produce, what is the characteristics of this images of the concave lens? First one is erect, okay, and second one is the virtual. So by knowing these informations of the concave lens, now we first move to the solutions of these questions. Now what, first of all we have to identify that what the data has been given in these questions. So we have the when you read these questions, the concave lens has a focal length. See, we have focal length. Okay, focal length is denoted by the f. So f is 15 centimeter and it would be in the minus because it always gets into the mirror lens side. Okay, so now what distance should be observed from the lens be placed so that it forms an image of images? So distance of the image. Okay, second one is image distance has given equal to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, now as we know that image distance is denoted by the small v. Okay, and v is the focal length. Okay, so now we have to find out the object distance u. Okay, and also there is a two questions in one question that also we have to find out the magnification. So as we know that the lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Okay, as we know, v is the distance, image of the distance, and u is the object distance, and f is the focal length. Okay, now let's move to the solution. So we have less spaces, so we have to omit this one. Okay, now we have to consider the equation number first. So put the values of f and v into the equation first. Put the value of f and v in the equation number 1. Okay, so now we have 1 upon v is equal to minus 10 minus 50. Sorry, now we have to find out the value of the v. Okay, So we cannot took the the value of the u directly, because this term need to find out. And now f equal to minus 10. Now we have to solve this equations. Okay, so let's move 1 minus 10 minus 15. Okay, minus 3 plus 2 1 upon u, so minus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon u, so it means u equal to minus 30 centimeter. Now we have find out the value of the u. It means minus 30 centimeter. Why? The sign indicates, minus sign indicates the object is placed inside of the lenses. Okay, so that's why here we get the minus sign. Now the first part of the questions we have solved. So minus 30 centimeter. Okay. Now the second part of this question is that magnifications produced by the lens. Okay. So magnification, as we know, magnification is equal to, magnification is denoted by the small m and v upon u. So we have find out we have the value of v equal to minus 10, okay, and u equal to minus 30. Minus cancel out, and 1 upon 3 equal to 0.33, but in positive. Okay, see. So magnifications we have find out the value 0.33. So now you should have a question that, sir, why we have a plus sign into the magnifications while finding the magnifications of the lens produced by the lens? So sign indicates that the images is positive sign indicates that image is erect and virtual. Okay, so and also the size of the images, what the 1/3 is, size of the images is 1/3. Okay, image is 1/3. So this is the solutions of these questions. There was nothing impossible, there nothing the difficulties, so we can easily handle these questions, okay, by putting this formula and while keeping all these informations into our mind. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome to the learning house. Again, we will continue in the second questions also and second video also. Okay, just please watch and subscribe, like and subscribe, and also share. Thank you.